Hi guys, my name is Joshua here, and today we'll be playing Subway Surfers.
If you want to live here, you have to run.
I just got my bonus reward. But anyways, I already did word hunt with Tricky. If you've seen the other video, check it out. Okay. So you see I unlocked Mora. And I unlocked her Taurus outfit, which is a rainbow. That's good. And I unlocked Charlie, which is also good. I unlocked him over the weekend. But I'm almost there to unlock Yutani. I just need like 2 more. So maybe I'll try to go over this quick one. So let's play with him. Yeah.
But his real struggle has just begun. Bowman told reporters that he will one day
Background noise. Apologies for the background noise. My sister's just watching something. By the way, if you see Simi Sola's TikTok, please subscribe to her. Hashtag respect Simi Sola on TikTok. That's why I made that up. Because Simi Sola is the one and beautiful girl. Oh! I had to use my head start. I just had to.
I'm trying to be better. I'd love it if I didn't have to spend most of my day at home. Watching some new people.
Yeah, you could add another extracurricular. Maybe entomology club?
Hey, I'm not that big of a dork.
This is the house where Devi Vishwakumar lost her virginity. This is the outfit she wore. This is the dinner she ate. The point is that after wanting to do it forever, Devi had finally had sex. And it was, oh hell, they seem awkward.
Well, we did it.
Yep.
We had sex.
Mm-hmm.
You were inside of me.
Don't hear the background.
Gross.
You're not gonna hear the background. Do not hear it.
Gotta believe that you're talking about me in third person while I'm here.
Sorry. So.
Ben, say something nice. Something supportive. Anything.
I guess if there's nothing else, I should hit the hay. Can I call you an Uber?
Oh, no, I'm good. But, yeah, I should bounce.
Hit the hay? Hit the freaking hay? Ben, to quote the title of my own best-selling memoir, you cannot be serious.
Okay, well, catch you on the flippity flip.
This is actually going to take a very long time so I could complete this.
You had sex with Ben Gross?
But anyways,
Okay, I think. Did you have an orgasm?
No,
Did he?
I think so.
How many positions did you do?
One. How many were we supposed to do?
I think like 4 to 5.
They definitely do 4 to 5 on Euphoria.
Do you think Ben wanted to have Euphoria sex? I mean, who doesn't? How was I supposed to know that? Guys, I think I'm bad at sex. I had no idea.
I was like the inflatable
inflatable balloon man at a tire store. You should have seen the look on Ben's face afterwards. He was clearly embarrassed for me.
Well, what's the deal with you two now? Like, are you together?
Yeah.
Do you love him?
Love him? Of course not. I only love my family and Michelle Obama. But I do like him. Like, really, really like him.
Then you need to text him.
Meanwhile, across the valley, Ben was dealing with his stress by burning out his quads with some hardcore.
The reason why I want to unlock Yutani is I want to complete my party characters.
All right, Margot, that was kind of cute, but you're still not Davy.
Are you Dwight Howard?
Hey there.
Wow, Mr. Howard, I'm like the hugest NBA fan. You know, I actually play a little ball myself. You know, not professionally or like on any team, but mostly in my driveway.
Well, I can't take pictures right now, but have a good day.
No, look, I get it. I know you're a busy celebrity, but I'm glad that I met you here today because...
Well, I did not complete all of it, but I'm proud I did. So,
Hey, little dude.
so,
It's gonna be okay.
so the point is I was getting tired.
What? Middle school. I'm 17.
What? I'm sorry, my bad.
I'm going to lock this.
It's just... Last night, I had sex with someone I really care about for
And,
the first time, and it was really bad.
Whoa, I don't want to talk to a random teenager about sex. That's kind of like one of the rules I have.